going to be teaching you how to make a dog toy. The materials you will need is an old t-shirt, scissors, and a tennis ball. So first you're going to lay out your t-shirt horizontally like this. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut underneath the armpit across. Then you're going to take the top half and cut 3 strips to make ties that will keep your toy held together. So the long one's going to be for the top. Then cut another one and cut it in half for the bottom. And then cut one more. And cut it in half also. So you should have 4 little ones and then 1 long one. And you put those to the side, and then you're done with the top half. Then you're gonna go back to the bottom half and cut it across. Then you're gonna take one side and cut it so your loop turns into a strip. And then do that to this other one. Then you're going to take one, spread it out, and lay it across like this. Then you're going to take the other one and lay it in the other direction on top of it and try to make it even. So it should look something like this. Then you're going to take your tennis ball and put it in the center. Take the bottom strip and loop it across, and then pick it up and kind of shake it out so that it evens out the strings. So that it should look something like this. And then you're going to take it and gather it at the end. Take your long string and tie it around. Do a couple knots to make sure that it's sturdy. And then cuff the ends. Then you're going to spread out the 4 strips. So you're going to take 1 strip, you're going to make 2 cuts, turning it into 3 strings. Make sure to cut it as far up as you can. Then when you have the 3 strips, you're going to braid them together. So when you get to the end, you're going to take one of the strings you had before, and you make a little knot to tie off the braid. Tie it a couple times so it's nice and sturdy. And you can cut off the extras and even the ends out. So you can do that with the 3 other ones, and then you'll have your dog toy.